It's there to make us more money, to be perfectly honest, but also it's a great opportunity for fans to have the shirt.
Hopefully that'll bring a bit more into the club and get the interest up again. We've advertised it in local press, etc., so they're coming in steadily now.
Before anybody other than Andy obviously writes the team out, and I go in there, write it down, and there's only me knows, because he doesn't like the lads knowing until he's had his team talk, you know. So it's one of the perks of the job, isn't it, knowing the team.
Some people still like the idea of the old businessman, the local benefactor, the local lad who's done well, running a football club. That's a sheepskin coat, cigar type model. And they have this perception that the fans' own club is butcher and baker, no disrespect to butchers and bakers, but that they don't know or they don't have the ability or the business sense to run a football club.
It's good for the town, it's good for North Wales as well, you know, that Wrexham shirts are out instead of them, your Manchester United and Liverpool shirts.